In this video, I'm going to show you why you should dump washing powder, also known as powdered laundry detergent, into your toilet. If your toilet has a funk smell to it, or maybe the porcelain is stained and you've tried lots of different cleaners and nothing seems to be working, this hack is worth giving a go. And what it is washing powder, specifically OxiClean. I didn't save the container, so I'll put an image on the screen for y'all. Towards the end of the video, I'm also going to show you a trick to get up underneath the rim as well, because that's where a lot of that bad smell likes to harbor, and it's normally pretty dirty under there also. So simply pour a cup to half cup of washing powder into your toilet. The amount of powder that you use isn't that important. You just want to get the job done. So if half doesn't cut it, then add the other half. Next thing to do is to scrub the bowl with your toilet brush. Make sure you scrub thoroughly and not miss any spots. The reason this works so well is the OxiClean is designed for stain removal on clothing as well as cleaning them, so it works really good as well within the toilet. After you've scrubbed the bowl well, go ahead, allow it to sit there for 30 minutes or so. I would suggest cleaning the rest of the bathroom while you let that sit, or just do something else, but make sure you let this stuff sit and dwell for 30 minutes before you flush. Now, I told you I was going to show you how to get underneath the rim. It's hard to get that powder underneath there, so what you can do is add a little bit of warm water to a small spray bottle along with a tablespoon of the OxiClean. Give it a good shake, and then spray it up underneath that rim. Let it sit for 30 minutes as well, and it will start to loosen up the gunk in the grime and remove those stains. Also, an added bonus to using the OxiClean is it smells good, so you can't beat that. After the 30 minutes is up, give it one last scrub with that toilet brush, getting underneath the rim thoroughly, flush the toilet, and you're finished. And you should be left with a shiny, white, pristine toilet bowl. If you've ever wondered what happens when you put lemon on your faucet, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.